Hi guys, welcome to iMobi channel. Some users complain that the battery drains fast after updating to iOS 16. In this video, we will show you 12 efficient tips to save battery life. Keep watching. The first tip is easy, you just need to restart your iPhone because it can eliminate some possible errors. Press and hold the volume down and the power button to power off your iPhone, then, restart it. The second tip is to reduce while point. Go to Settings to find Accessibility. Next, select Display and Text Size. Turn on Reduce White Point and put it to around 65%. The third tip is to remove some widgets from your home screen and lock screen. The widget is one of the factors that lead to battery drain. You can remove some widgets you don't often use from the home and lock screen. The next tip is to turn off Hey Siri. The iPhone's Hey Siri feature is certainly useful but surely eats away at your battery life. You can go to Settings to find Siri and search to turn it off. The fifth tip is to turn off Background App Refresh. Go to General in Settings and find Background App Refresh. Then, turn it off. The sixth tip is to turn off notifications of some apps. If notifications pop up frequently, your iPhone screen will be on again and again. You can turn off some notifications to save the battery. The seventh tip is to turn off location service. You just need to go to location service and turn it off or select some apps to turn it off. The eighth tip is adjust mail fetch. It is beneficial for the battery to adjust the fetch settings to have longer intervals before checking for new messages. You also can choose to manually check it. The ninth tip is to turn on automatic brightness. If your iPhone is kept in high brightness all day, the battery will drain fast. So turning on automatic is a good way to save. The 10th tip is to turn on low power mode. It is perhaps the most effective way to maintain iPhone battery life. You just need to go to Battery and Settings to turn it on. The 11th tip is keep updating your apps. Updating all your apps is also a good way to save battery. Developers always optimize some errors to adapt to iOS 16, so updating is necessary. The last tip is to wait for updating the new iOS 16 version. Apple optimizes errors for every update. Also, you can choose to downgrade to iOS 15 version while the downgrade channel has not been closed. Any fix can help you downgrade iOS 16 to iOS 15 in one click. You just need to connect your iPhone and select downgrade mode. If you need it, check the description below to download any fix. That's all tips. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips.